Hi guys, how you all doing? I haven't done a wee video for a while. Been really busy. Had a wee problem the other day with my exhaust and it completely fucked up on me basically. So I had to put a new exhaust in. Had to put a new exhaust system in. Bought a full Hoffmann straight through exhaust pipe system, front all the way to the back. Shiny back box, looks good. Just finished putting it on just now. As I said, didn't have time to video it, but I'm going to give you a little preview what it now sounds like. So let's go. And it sounds so there you go. That's how she sounds now. You should have saw what it sounded like before. It was like a German tank. It was that bad. But now we got a straight through sports exhaust system. Happy days. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you in the next one.